What's up, guys? This is Higgins from Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode, we're taking a deep dive into Polymaker's PETG in Magenta. This one, many people know that I'm a big fan of Polymaker's filament. Comes in this nice mylar bag, which, if you don't happen to have a good storage system, this is helpful as they are resealable, and it helps keep out moisture and UV light away from your filament, which can be detrimental. Anyway, we're going to get this open. Comes with these nice pull tabs that are helpful, and we can take a look at the vibrant magenta color that this filament produces or has. Anyway, as you can see here, it looks amazing if this is the type of color that you're looking for. Anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and get that in the filament dryer, and I will see you shortly for the benchy overview that we do when we're working with new filaments. So as you know, here at Legal Automations, whenever we are working with a new filament, we end up always printing in the generic settings for that filament first, just to get a kind of baseline in Bamboo Studio. So we got that loaded up. We're going to go ahead and get this sliced, and it should take a little bit under an hour total. Let's take a look. Yep, it's under an hour there. So we're going to get that printed out, and along with the other test prints, and so I will see you soon. Alright, so this is the benchy in the generic settings. Everything looks great. Again, love this magenta color. Huge fan. Next up, we printed out a dimensional cube. This is 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cube, printed in spiral vase mode. No real issues there. Some discoloration on the bottom, but nothing too major. Definitely nothing wrong with the printer. Next up, we printed a temperature tower, and for this one, 240 temp looks like it's going to be the best one. Again, all these things are going to be in the description down below, so take a look at that. Next up, we have the retraction test, and the retraction test came out looking good. No stringing, nothing like that, nothing too major. Next up, we have the max volumetric speed test, and much like other Polymaker's PETG, this one turned out very well at 28 millimeters cubed per second. Everything looks great. Next up, we have the overhang test. Overhang test came out amazing. No issues there, but again, anytime you're working with PETG, I'd probably recommend enabling supports around 75 to 80 degrees just to make sure that you have everything looking good. And we got those things dialed in and printed a benchy. Not too many changes here. Overhangs look good. Everything looks great. No major issues with anything like that. So at the time of filming, you can purchase this at Amazon for under $20 at $19 and some odd cents. I think this is pretty good. Anyway, this has been Polymaker's PETG in Magenta. If you're looking for this color, this is great. If you're looking at getting into PETG, which is a stronger filament, that's also awesome, and it's well worth the use. So apparently, one of the things that I wanted to chat about a little bit is basically that this ends up being really good for people. I think if you're looking at this type of filament. Anyway, if you like this type of content, I'm a new channel. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm just basically trying to give back to the 3D printing community, as well as document all these different colors and filament types for the community. So I'd appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, that kind of thing. Anyway, this has been Polymaker's PETG in Magenta.